Okay friends, this is our first try making kinetic sand. First, I'll be adding the clear slime. I'm adding Dawn dish soap. Now it's time for the liquid starch.
That's enough, that's enough.
Now, here's the time for the fun part. Time to mix, mix, mix. It's probably best to use a spoon, but we're using a fork. And now you're gonna start to make a slime consistency. So for now, my daughter Talia, she is doing the mixing. So if you have some family members or friends that can help you mix, ask them for some help. So my husband decided to give us some help because he saw us struggling. Now he thinks he is a pro. This makes a great family activity actually. We pretty much enjoyed this. Even the cleanup was better than just making regular slime. And it's almost time to add the sand to make kinetic sand. Comment below if you've tried making some kinetic sand.
It does.
Now it's time to see how well we have done, guys. Or how bad we have done. And if you have some tips that we can try for next go round, let me know. So what I researched is you have to continuously add the sand in the spaces where there's glue exposed. So we're pretty much just dumping the sand on there because my husband is mixing it because remember, he thinks he's a pro now. I must admit, it does look pretty cool and satisfying.
It's getting tougher and you can start stretching it. Yeah, it's working. That's not really Oh, wow.
This is definitely a workout for the fingers, but maybe it's a great exercise or massage for your fingers too. I don't know. We'll find out later. Aaliyah's doing really good working that sand in. We will see how it turned out. So she's already able to form a ball and stretch it. It's more like sand and slime still, so it still needs some more sand inside of it. So I did not mean to pour all that sand in at once. It should be going in slowly, but you know, this is a first try. So far, this is what we have. It stretches nicely, but yep, see that? It just popped. So I think we still need to work on our technique and getting all of our measurements right. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.